So yeah, hello everybody. Now it's time to start my work. And by the way, yeah, now just I am learning about that how the chatbot works, how the AI chatbot work, and what is the difference between the normal chatbot and the AI chatbot. See, there are the two types of. First is the bot, which help us in the banking and see whenever. By the way, let me see that how many people are watching live streaming right now, because whenever I talk, so sometimes I need to repeat the topics. So that's why I always paste in the comment section, right, what exactly I'm doing right now. So okay, wait, let me check that how many people are watching the live streaming, then I will start the topic. And yeah, today is the 19th day, and I couldn't able to understand that, like, I am doing streaming from past 19 days. Every day is looking like a new, but every day is looking the same, and I didn't even realize that I completed 19 days just streaming like this. And yeah, this is literally amazing that with the streaming I got a chance to connect with a lot of people. And okay, so the streaming live, okay, it's going properly. So for now, back to the topic, what I'm going to do. So okay, for now, back to the topic. Hey, drawing and study education. Yeah, hey, welcome on this channel. And okay, so let me write over here. Hello everyone. Hello everybody. Now I'm starting the Swift. Now I'm starting the Swift. By the way, before starting the Swift, with the help of the Swift playground, I was making a simple app. The first time I didn't realize that the Swift playground is going to help me to build the app with the basic code. And this is what literally means I was feeling like that. Literally, the Swift playground is helping me to make the app, and then I proceeded my work. And then just yesterday I started facing the difficulties while connecting the Swift playground with my GitHub repo. So this is what the difficulty I faced yesterday, and then after when I saw that there is the error, so instead of solving the error, I closed the Swift playground, and this is what the mistake I made, and I keep making from the first year only. See, whenever I see this thing is looking difficult, so I try to skip it. And now I'm feeling like that this is one of the bad, this is literally a bad habit. Because if you know what, if anybody wants to be a software engineer, if anybody wants to be go in the tech field, so it's literally important to, whatever the mistake that you are facing, it's important to solve them by yourself, instead of waiting for that any other opportunities are going to come, or instead of skipping that topic. It will be a much better if we try to solve our problem by ourselves. Okay, for now, just I am thinking to start my work because everything is properly charged. The device and the cell phone where I'm going to see the lecture, everything is charged. So now it's time to start the session. So okay, and yeah, morning, I have a college. I need to go the college for attending the lectures. So by the way, let me know in the comment section who wait, just wait a minute. Okay, yeah, I am pasting my Instagram ID over here. always keep my all the updates what I'm doing, which tools I'm learning, or if I have any startup idea, or whether I'm working on any startup, uh, thinking about to go deeply about any beginner startup ideas. So I nowadays I started posting this all the things on my Instagram first. So yeah, if you are the Instagram user, all of are the users, right? But many of are trying to delete the Instagram. This is the good because I have seen that when first time I during my first year means, you know what, the during my first year, that mean that during my first year in 2025 I started using the Instagram. This is true. Many of you are going to laugh at me, but this is the reality that 2025 during my first year I made my profile on the Instagram. And this is what making me laugh that uh, it's important to use this all the tools, because if you are working on any startup or the small businesses which you thinking to that you're going to handle by online, so these all the platforms are help a lot. And okay, yeah, hey, welcome on this channel. Yeah, Shiva, right? Okay, for now just I'm starting the Swift work, and let me open the Swift playground right now. Okay, wait, my screen is closed. Let me open my screen. Yeah, now I think that it's properly visible to all of you. So yeah, this is the very basic app which I'm making on the Swift playground. So the this app name is Take a Break. So every day, uh, this app is going to remind me that now it's time to take the break. And if you are someone who drink the different types of coffees, teas, so this is the literally basic app. So it's same as a reminder, nothing, there is no any kind of the specialty over here. But at least I want to learn that how we can able to make. There is the one more thing, let me show you that. See, if I made my app successfully on the Swift playground platform, so I can able to install on this Mac. This is what literally amazing, that I can able to install this on my Mac, and it going to be work better same as other apps like Amazon and all working in our cell phone. So this is what I literally appreciate about the Swift playground. And now I am starting my work, and let me on the lecture. And yeah, if you have any question, you can able to ask me in the comment section. Whenever I will see your comment, I will definitely going to reply you. Wait, where is my glasses? And otherwise this all the device are going to kill me, you know. Sometimes my cell phone screen time is 11 hours, 12 hours, this much. And these screen times are literally affecting very badly. So yeah, by the way, wait, let me disconnect this from Bluetooth. And so yeah, I'm starting my work, and let me open this Swift playground. Yeah, so first of all, there is a one error which I am it visible over here. This is the little a small error. The one of the biggest error which I am facing is that before proceeding this work, I need to connect my Swift playground with the GitHub, and this is literally important, but I am facing the difficulties while doing this. Wait, why whenever I open So yeah, for now, let me start the work. So okay, as per the instructions, let me go and follow the steps. So maybe it going to be work. So for connecting the Swift playground with the GitHub, we need to complete this process from here. Yeah, my library, my library, my library. With the help of this, I need to complete my work. Now I think that I'm visible properly, right? Am I visible? Am I visible? Am I visible? By the way, any of you are watching, not visible. No. Okay, now I think that I'm visible properly, right? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, all right. I'm visible properly. So yeah, over here right now, I'm just watching my own video to just for the clarification that this live streaming is going properly or not, because sometimes, not sometimes, always I face the difficulties while streaming, because sometimes these codes are not properly visible, or most of the time what mistake I make, that I kept my mic closed and I think that the mic is open and I keep talking, and when I see the comment, hey, we can't able to hear you, and I was like, damn, I thought that whatever I'm telling to you, it's okay. So for now, just I'm starting the work, and see, just currently I'm facing the difficulties while collecting the Swift, connecting the Swift playground with the GitHub. So I came to know that I can able to solve this issue with the help of Xcode. So I opened the Xcode, then I went on the file, clicked on the new and made search new. There is the option called package. I clicked over here, and then I given the name called my library, and now this my library is open over here, and then choose the folder and save it. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I save it. Then I also click it on the create a git repository on many Mac is okay, on my Mac is checked. Yeah, I did it, and then I click it on the create. After doing that, this is the good process, and then I to this came on the step 2. On the step 2, I got some code over here. In your project folder you will see something like this. Yeah, I saw that. Open the and library. You don't see, just create the new zip file named. Okay, let me do that. What should I do? No, new empty file. New empty file. Yeah, new folder. Find the selected folder. New Swift file name. So yeah, file, and give the name my library.swift is already existing. This is already existing. This is already existing. This is already existing, Eva. So I don't need to create another one. Now come down because this code is already comment out. So okay, then I need to write this over here. Sure, let me do that. So this is how I can able to connect my Swift, Swift, Swift playground with GitHub. This is so amazing whenever you get a solution very easily. And okay, by the way, any of you having any questions you can able to ask with me. By the way, I'm a bachelor student and currently I'm in a second year. Wait, let me write this. Why I can't able to pin my comment? I don't know why. Let me try. Let me try. Okay, this link is working, but yeah, the link is working properly. Okay, so yeah, for now I want to connect my Swift playground with GitHub. So there is a one feature which I need to write it, so then my this library package is going to connect with GitHub easily. And this is important, by the way, because I am making the app using the Swift playground. So Swift playground need the connection, that need Swift playground want to connect with the tools like GitHub, where we can able to where we can write the code, at the same time we can also able to save the code. So yeah. Hey, are you working? Yeah. By the way, I have a one question. No. Wait, let me add the question. What? What? What are you doing right now? Please let me know in the comment section whether you are doing study. So I know my cell phone storage is full. I need to clean this, so don't give me reminder. Okay, what are you doing right now? And if you are doing study, so which subject? Please let me know in the comment section. I think that this code is visible to you, right? This is not a code, this is just a command. Okay, now back to the work. I want to connect my C, so let me write the public structure my library. Yeah, if you have any question you can able to ask me in the comment section. comment section Oh, hello, keep learning. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. By the way, please let me know in the comment section. This is almost 2 a.m, so what all of you doing right now? Because if you someone using the YouTube at 2 a.m, so you must be doing some kind of crazy hacking, or maybe tomorrow there is your examination, so that's why you are on YouTube. Because this is what I'm going to do on Monday. There is my exam, and what I'm doing right now, it's completely different. On Monday there is my exam, so Saturday night I'm going to open my syllabus. Notes I don't have notes. I'm going to call all of my friends. I don't know whether they are my friends or not, but I'm going, hey, please send me notes. Send me notes. Please send me notes if you have. Send me this module, any important module. If if teacher has given any important questions, so please send me that. This is the scenario. I'm going to spend my 24 hours of the Sunday. I'm predicting my future. Okay, Sunday, what is the date? 12 October, right? Yeah. So this is how my Sunday going to be look like, because on Monday there is my two exam. First paper is max, and second, which one is, I don't know. So yeah, this all the information I'm going to collect on Saturday. And also I'm going to ask for others to please give me notes. And this is how I completed my first year. So if you need any study strategy about the first year, so maybe I can able to help you, like how to beg someone about, how to ask someone for notes and all. By the way, during my first year I have made a lot of notes, but now in one notebook, and that notebook, all I think that only 30 to 35% of the pages are written, and now I'm in a second year. During my first year, I was thought that I'm going to manage my academic very properly. I'm going to focus on my academic, and then I will manage my skill work at the same time. But I realized that something else is happening with me. I thought that I'm going to manage my academic and the coding work at the same time. But then there is something different. You know what something different means? Assignments, projects. Projects, you know what? Write the 4-page essay writing about someone who you really inspired by. And then I thought that there is something called ChatGPT going to help me with that. And then I thought, okay, fine, ChatGPT is going to helping me for this. But I came to know that if I follow my academics, so I'm never going to do anything in my life, because I belongs to lower than tier 3 college, maybe tier 4, maybe tier 4. Okay. By the way, so far what technologies you learning till now for? Oh, sorry, I missed your comment. I literally sorry about that. So far what technology you learned till now for 100 days? Okay, see, this is the uh, see, I thought that I'm going to complete the 100 days of streaming, and then I will see that what I learned and did that. Actually, I have seen the many of the videos on the YouTube, and it's not all about the watching the videos on the YouTube. I saw it really happen when you learn something for when you learn something continuously for 6 months, and you give your best, whether I talk about the communications or learning the some new tools or learning the some new stack or updating the resume at the same time. So you definitely going to land somewhere. This is what I think that, and I believe that there are many of my elder brother sister had did it the same. So what they told me that you having the time, you are in the second year, so learn and implement at the same time, and then see that make a good project and make the good project and all the things, and then store this all the project on your GitHub, and then you can able to mention it in your resume, and also try to participate in the open source, which all the open source opportunities are going to start from the January. So we have a time, we have 18 days now, 80. I thought that the 19 days, but 10 days of the October just finished like this. I didn't even realize that. Many of you are haven't realize it, right, if you are busy. So yeah, I want to learn the Java. I almost completed, but there are many things. Java is completely deep. If even I can say that if I learn Java continuously for 6 months is also not enough. You know what, I can't say, even if I say that I learned the Java, it's not all about if I learned the Java for 5 years, 6 years. So but still there are many things which I need to learn, it's just it's same as learning the English. The Lingumana, she was learning the English from past 7 years, but still she never told herself that she was a native speaker, because every years, every month there the new words, new sentence are coming, new words are coming in the dictionary. So this is what I am trying to say you, that I can't say that I'm going to learn the full Java, but at least I'm going to know that if someone showed me the codes, yeah, tell me that what exactly happening over here. So even i I need to make myself capable to explain the code. At least I need to make myself capable for this scenario. So as you asked it that what technology, so I want to learn the Java, and right now just I'm doing the Swift. So I'm using the Mac, and I taking the Mac because I want to go for the iOS. Wait, I want to go for the iOS. So yeah, I'm going to use the Spring Boot as a backend, and the front end is my HTML, CSS, and I also in so yeah, Java, UI UX is something which is not disturbing me mentally. So I thought that to, oh, at least for 1 and 2 hours I also want to focus for UI UX. So yeah, UI UX, Java, and then third is that making a good project with the help of Swift. So I can able to save this all the things in my GitHub, and then I will try to apply in the open source as a UI UX, as a UI designer. So yeah, this is what my path is, and let's see God what is the God plan, I don't know. So so this running 18 days, 80, but yeah, there is a many obstacle within this 3 month. My semester, my unit examination, and then my semester. Yeah, semester. So yeah, if I made any mistake in the examination, so then I am going to carry a one big burden that called a backup means someone who failed the examination. I don't want to do that, because I don't want to stay one more year in that college. So I thought that anyhow, if I don't learn the skills, no problem, but I don't want to stay in this college one more year. So that's why at the same time I also want to prepare myself for the examination. So yeah, I'm talking too much, but it's as you asked me that this, by the way, this is 100 days live session challenge, and today is 1919. And so far what I learned, if you ask me that question, so I'm thinking about my startup idea to, from the beginning, from the scratch, both having the same pronunciation. So yeah, from the scratch. And then second thing is that I'm the sketch artist, so every day I'm making a 2 to 3 sketch, and no, not within a 3 days I'm making a one sketch. So yeah, I want to manage my sketching work. And second, is that the startup idea, and the fourth, wait, not all of the comment is visible from here, so let me read this. So yeah, by the way, you ask it right, within this 100 days what I'm going to do. So what I want to do is preparing myself for internship as a UI designer, as a UI UX designer, and I also want to participate. I also want to contribute in the open source as a UI designer, because I think that in this 18 days I only have the ability to prepare myself fully for UI designer. And so, and yeah, if I got a chance to participate in the open source uh, as a front end developer, so I'm going to use the Swift code and this all. And then at the same time I also want to manage the DSA, many things to do. Okay, you can do it, don't take the stress, you have a plenty of time. This is the good start for the career path. Yeah, exactly. By the way, thank you very much for no, but yeah, the reality is that I don't have a time. Let me tell you the truth. This is the reality. I don't have a time. This is the peak time. Like, it's all about ending. If I didn't given much, so I'm not going to get anything at the end. So this is the important time. Now it's on my hand whether I waste it or save it or spend my time at any right place instead of wasting my time with useless thing. I saw that in the Xcode there is also the option where we can able to fix the what I'm using. Yeah, this is Xcode. Yeah, okay, where I can able to fix my error very easily. And I thought that I'm writing this code on the Swift playground, because in Swift playground there is we don't have the option like this. So what was the error? Okay, you want me to fix the intermediate error. Changes will be make replace the multi-line string and the whiling single string. Okay, or use the Swift multi-line string, or clean up the spacing formatting for the readability. Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, save the file. File is already saved. If you open the package in the Xcode, press Command U to run and test. Okay, Command U. Or open the My Library test or Swift test like this. Then push to the GitHub. Okay, wait. How I can push this on the GitHub? Where is the GitHub option? You have not initialized the variable name, and yeah, now the code is almost. Wait, drop it frames. Let me check that whether this stream. Let me check that whether this streaming is working properly or not. Just wait a minute. Oh no, the mic is on, but the volume is low. Okay, okay. Now I think that the my voice is coming properly, right? Yeah, you want to put your code in GitHub. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, by the way, I'm using this Xcode just 13 days before only I installed it. The yeah, Xcode is already installed. Okay, now I think that it's properly audible, right? So yeah, Xcode is already installed, but that is my fault that I was not using it. But yeah, now I started using the Xcode, so I don't have that much experience about that how to push the Xcode code Xcode code directly on the GitHub. So that's why once I already watched this video, but I'm watching this video again because I have pushed the code, but this code is not visible in the repo. So that's why I thought to once watch this video again. Maybe I just skipped the some process, and that's why the code is not visible on the GitHub. So yeah, where is
Just type your repository. I will use Xcode demo app for now. And after that, click on create. It says pushing. Okay, so now we can go to our repository in our GitHub account. Okay, so our Xcode project is pushed. You can see it says 1 minute ago, all app is ready. So if we changed something in our app, for example, I will delete hello world and icon, okay, and I will add another text, project updated, like this. Now let's push this change in our project to GitHub. For this, again, click on source control and click on comment.
where is the option source control? Reset the package. No. Then that is the difference. Okay.
Okay, you can see it says there is one change in content view from hello world and globe image to project update. Okay, and you should add your comment message. We can say Xcode project updated and click comment file. Again, go to source control and click push. Select your origin. By default, it says origin main or
Okay, try to take the Swift course from the Udemy. That is the worth it. Okay, yeah, that is a great idea to uh, purchase the course, and this is also the best way that I'm also going to feel like that consistent, and yeah, I can also able to cover all of the topics at the same time. Okay, I'm definitely going to see if there is any. No, not any. Okay, I'm definitely going to search for the Udemy course. Over here, it's just showing like that I've committed that code in GitHub properly, but let me refresh the GitHub. Wait, because sometimes, uh, not sometimes, I always face the internet issue. Wait, no, it's not committed. Okay, let me try in another way. So maybe then it's going to be work. Wait. Okay, and yes.